In Limpopo, a social media influencer accused of killing his partner is expected to take the witness stand when his murder trial, resumes in the Thohoyandou High Court. That's in Limpopo. Livhuwani Madadzhe is accused of killing his partner. That's Lindelani Nengovhela. That was 2 years ago. He allegedly dumped her body in a waterlogged pit toilet at the Sidou-Mangodi outside Thohoyandou. Watching this story is SABC News reporter Katlego Nyoni, who joins us now live. And Katlego, I think there's been some distance between those watching and our ability to follow the story. So perhaps take us through some of the background around what we know and how we eventually landed up here.
Well, essentially following that tragic day 2 years ago where 33-year-old Lindelani Nengovhela lost her life and her body allegedly thrown inside a disused pit toilet, we saw prominent social media influencer, particularly in the Limpopo province, who commands a high following of followers on social media platforms, being accused of her death. And following that, there was a eventual arrest of the accused, that is comedian and social media influencer, particularly around this area of Limpopo, that is Livhuwani Madadzhe, who was then arrested, eventually then released on 50,000 rand bail. This is as court processes then started to continue. Well, today we are at the Thohoyandou, at the Waterlogged Magistrates Court, but this is the Thohoyandou High Court sitting in the Waterlogged area, where of course today is some culmination of some sort in this particular murder case, where the accused himself, the comedian Livhuwani Madadzhe, is expected to take onto the witness stand to provide sort of testimony that could provide weight to determine the outcome of this particular case. We saw other series of witnesses also providing testimony, including forensic experts. On Monday, forensic expert Dr. Arnold Mamashela also provided witness testimony from a forensic pathology report indicating, according to his expertise, that the victim here died of asphyxia that is consistent with smoldering, also indicating that there were ante-mortem wounds that were detected on the body of the particular victim, on the lower back, on the face, as well as the neck. Well, for the defense, their argument was that those particular injuries were present prior to the body, the injuries were caused when the body was removed from the disused pit latrine. Other experts and other witnesses that testified include a retired police officer, Abatakalani Chifularo, who also indicated that the victim in this particular case could have died from a strangulation. While today, Madadzhe is taking the witness stand in front of Judge Thohomelani Chidada, and previously it was a packed courtroom. As I mentioned earlier, his testimony could add weight on the outcome and direction of the case.
Sure, such gory details. Katlego Nyoni, live to us there from inside the court in Thohoyandou. For now, thanks very much indeed. We'll try to keep up with that case as much as we can.